In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add default reviewers in Bitbucket. Whether you're a project manager or a developer looking to streamline your code review process, setting up default reviewers ensures that all your future pull requests have the right eyes on them right from the start. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get your Bitbucket repository set up for more efficient reviews. First, let's head over to your project settings. You'll want to look for the gear icon, which you'll typically find in your repository or on the project sidebar. Clicking this will take you into the settings for your project. It's sort of like the control room, where you manage various aspects of your project. Once you're in there, let's focus on finding the section dedicated to default reviewers. This is located under the Pull Requests section, which you'll see in the left-hand sidebar. This area is crucial because it determines who will automatically be added as reviewers for all new pull requests in your project. Now, let's get to the part where you actually add your reviewers. You'll see an option called Add Reviewers. Click on that, and it will open up a dialog box. This is where you can start choosing who in your workspace will be contributing to your project's review process. In the dialog box, you simply need to search for and select the members you want to include. You might want to add people who have expertise in a particular area of your project or those who often contribute code, ensuring their feedback is always considered. After selecting your desired reviewers, don't forget to hit Add to save your choices. This simple step confirms your selections and makes sure they'll automatically be included in future pull requests. This feature is a real time saver, especially if you find yourself repeatedly involving the same people for reviews. And that's essentially the entire process for Bitbucket Cloud. It's straightforward, but remember that if you're using the data center version of Bitbucket, there are some additional features you can take advantage of. You can create and manage reviewer groups, which offers an even more organized approach to managing your default reviewers. It's a great way to handle larger teams or projects with more complex structures, ensuring the right knowledge and skills are always applied to code reviews. I hope this guide has made it easy for you to set up default reviewers in Bitbucket, making your workflow more efficient and ensuring consistent quality in your code reviews. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!